Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Good morning, my dear Vascular colleague. I would like to invite you to a very important vascular event this year, which is EGYVASC 2023 in Alexandria on 23rd to 25th of November. If you read vascular textbook, you are probably 4 years old by the time the textbook is being published. If you read journal and paper, you are probably 2 years old. But if you attend one of the cutting-edge meetings in vascular surgery like EGYVASC, you're probably not far away from the cutting edge of vascular surgery. Professor Mus'ad Suleiman is very keen to bring the most updated information in one event. You will see the keynote lecture, you will see the new devices, new technology, new tips and tricks, with plenty of workshops. It is not to be missed, especially in Alexandria, one of the very nice city of Mediterranean Sea, where you will meet and have multiple discussions with most eminent faculty of vascular surgery, both abroad and on the national level. I hope you will have a nice time, and I hope to see you there. With all my best wishes, Dr. Muhammad Umar Fellow.